Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it is very important to update with Patch Tuesday today. It fixes a lot of bugs, but particularly it fixes some zero-day flaws that are still not apparently exploited by bad guys, but are very important. 10 critical flaws in total, and this is for all products, by the way. It's not just Windows, but it's a big Patch Tuesday month. 119 security vulnerabilities are fixed in this month's Patch Tuesday, but that's for every product, including Office, including other software that is also non-Windows. But Windows, of course, has the bulk of all of this. So this is a lot of security flaws. First of all, for the version numbers, for those that wonder, if you're on Windows 10, you're either on 1904.2, 1904.3, or 1904.4, and the ending is 1645. So 1645 should be the ending with the Windows version command. In Windows 11, that Windows version command should give you a ending of 22,000.613. So this is the version numbers for Windows 10 and Windows 11. In there, of course, we'll have, like I said, in a day or two, some security updates coming for our Edge for the Chromium project. But 26 Edge Chromium vulnerabilities are apparently available apart from the Windows 119. So that adds to 119 in total products. There's 47 elevation of privilege vulnerabilities, 47 remote code execution vulnerabilities, 13 information disclosure, 9 denial of service, 3 spoofing, and of course 26 Edge. So that means it's extremely important to get your security updates for this month, as there's a lot of things, including the critical flaws. One has to do with Windows LDAP remote code execution. There's one that has to do with, let's check out the critical ones here, Hyper-V remote code execution. There's another Hyper-V remote code, another remote, three of them are for Hyper-V here. We've got Windows Network File System remote code execution, 2 of them there for the critical flaws. There's a remote procedure call runtime remote code execution. Windows Server and Windows SMB remote code executions also in there. So lots of stuff to check out. There's a lot of important Patch Tuesday fixes also in here. Please do update your Windows 10 or Windows 11 systems. It is extremely important to do so, especially with the very high number of flaws and the 0 days that now are disclosed and that could soon be exploited by hackers. If you want to stay safe, this is there are 2 things to do. Be careful and update your system. That is 99% of all the security. Antivirus is not even in the top 10 when you talk to real security researchers. They're going to tell you antivirus is not even there to protect you. It's a false sense of security for most people, especially with 0 days like this. When there's 0 days and flaws like this, your antivirus is completely useless against infiltration of systems. So stop thinking antivirus is important. What's important is keeping up to date and being careful what you do. That's both on the security side of Windows and on the security side of your browsers and every software that you use that could have security updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.